So here we are on the Theo Baars Bridge. Checking out the awesome view. It's a pretty nice view. It made me feel like, yeah, I chose the right place to live. There's the public beach access over there, if you can see my hand pointing. And Johnson Beach, which is like national park territory. And the sad thing, I guess, is that over here in Perdido, there's only just a little bit of public beach access. And other than that, you gotta have like a state park pass. So that's one of the good things about Pensacola, that just, you can't beat it for public beach access, man. There's a ton of it. Nice. You can go to find a spot that's nice and secluded without renting a hotel room or owning a timeshare or renting a condo or anything. You can just live in the city and drive out to the beach, and if you find the right spot, you can sit there pretty much by yourself. So this is it. This is Perdido Key at sunset on Easter Sunday 2021. Here's the Flora-Bama Yacht Club and bar and music venue, and this is when you know that you have entered Alabama. Yeehaw! Looks like a lot of people are dining out for Easter Sunday. Yeah, you wouldn't think. That's why I gotta put this on tape and put it on YouTube, because you would not think that this is what Alabama looks like. Right? This is what we came here for. Get a nice beautiful view of the sunset. From atop this bridge. I don't know what this bridge is called. Let me make sure these people see me. All right. Probably what I should do is turn around as soon as I get over the bridge and head back down here to underneath this bridge where you can park. And maybe I get a view of the sunset down there. There she is. Ah, look at that. This is what we came here for. This is why we're here on YouTube right now. Nah, I ain't gonna get no view from the beach down there. Everybody's wondering, why is he going so slow on that CBR1000? Oh man, check out those condos. Oh, that'd be a nice place to stay. Wow. Your money. Alright, I'm gonna turn around. Head back. Cottons would be nice too, huh? Nice place to eat some steak and shrimp. Shit, I wanted to turn left over there. What am I gonna do? I can't make it through there. I could cut right through this traffic. Be really dumb. Oops. Ow. Turn for me. I suppose we should take a little walk over to the water. Here we are in Orange Beach, Alabama. I got it right this time because that water tower right over there says Orange Beach. So I know it's Orange Beach and not Gulf Shores. Hey, my bike fits. Orange bike, Orange Beach. Pretty sweet. I could come to the beach over here sometime. I never think of coming this far to go to the beach, but with that bridge being closed to get to Pensacola Beach and you have to go all the way around, coming here is actually a little quicker. Check it out. Picture of the pier.